Hey bookkeepers, are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services? You've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a simple and affordable website for your bookkeeping service. Let's get started. Now, if you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So be sure to click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. Now, once you've registered an account, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, bookkeeping service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's start multi-sites a few basic details about our bookkeeping service so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, multi-sites will work its magic, do all the hard work, and generates a simple website for your bookkeeping service. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you around. Now, the great thing about the multi-sites platform is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your bookkeeping service. I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Perhaps you want to make one or two amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services, or you'd like to let your customers know a little background of your business, how you got into the bookkeeping industry. They'd absolutely love to hear your story. To make any changes on the multi-sites platform, you absolutely don't need to know any website coding at all. You don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way or have any web development skills. And you certainly don't need to hire a person, a web developer or a freelancer to help you with this. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. So I'm going to click on the first section at the top, show you how easy it is to make any changes on the platform. I'm going to pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers if they want to reach out. So I'm going to go ahead and check that box. Excellent. Phone number, that is click to call. And address, physical location, maybe you are mobile or online business and you want to leave that off, you can absolutely do so. But if you have a physical location, pop it in here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Underneath update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your multi-sites website over there. Great. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can make minor edits to it by clicking on that pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a bit better. To change the colors used throughout your multi-sites website, you absolutely don't need to know any color coding. Click on the paint icon, go through the various color palette options. There are so many options to choose from. For each section, you want to make a bit more personalized to your very own business. Maybe change those call to action buttons or the images. Click on update section. Underneath update images where you can upload your own images or search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have an Instagram profile for your business. Now, underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they're linked. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with more details on your rates and your pricing points for your services. You also have the option to link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings through Calendly to have a session with your clients or an introduction so that you can chat about their needs and what they require from you. pop it in over here and you can link to another website. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to that calendar booking. And the last section at the bottom is where we have a call to action button. Over here is where your customers can easily reach out to you with all their queries, keep track of all your leads coming in your Marty dashboard. Now, domains are really easy as well. To connect your domain, all you need to do is click on that yellow connect your domain button at the bottom and hook it up. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors in the industry. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Marty Sites platform as well. I really hope this short tutorial is helpful in building a simple and affordable website on the Marty Sites platform for your bookkeeping service. Literally just took 5 minutes, and I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give me that thumbs up.